Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to remove, clean, and replace the vegetable pan on this GE refrigerator. Let's get started. With both doors open, remove the pan by sliding it all the way out until it stops, then lift up and out to remove. If you have a bad vegetable pan and need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. None of the components on the vegetable pan are sold separately, so if any of them are broken, you'll have to replace the whole assembly. Also, this part is side specific, so please make sure that you're ordering the correct side. If you need to clean your pan, do not attempt to clean it in the dishwasher, as it will ruin it. The proper way to clean your vegetable pan is by using a soft towel that won't scratch, some baking soda, and warm water. Start by adding warm water, followed by baking soda at approximately 1 tablespoon per quart. Next, scrub the pan. Be careful as the plastic scratches easily. Then, dump the water and wipe the pan dry. To install the pan, first insert the rear into the rails, lift up on the front, and push it closed. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.